This short demonstration will include Quick Capture, Superfind, and Net Effect. With Quick Capture, you can import existing JD Edwards security into Q Software's Security Manager. You can create backups that are easy to fully or partially restore, and you can quickly redesign or merge existing security. Superfind is a search utility that finds security records in your menus, security model, or deployed security. You can search by object, version, or security type. And Net Effect is used to quickly determine why a user can or can't access applications, reports, forms, fields, or data. We'll start by showing you Quick Capture. In this example, I'm using Security Manager Pro and the Quick Capture tool to grab all of my security records in my existing JD Edwards security table and put them into a logical model in Q Software. I have created a model in Q Software called Demo Backup. Then I'll use Quick Capture to select what I want to import from the F00950. I can use the processing options in Quick Capture to select all records, or I can select records by role or user ID, or I can select records by security type. Within a few minutes, I have all of my live security imported into my model. Each record in the F00950 that is captured is grouped by the user ID using the functions and components in Q Software. You can keep it as a backup or use it to merge or redesign roles. Next, we'll look at Superfind. If you need to search for an object, version, or objects based on the type of security, Superfind will help you locate it. Superfind will search your menu structure, your security model, or the users and roles you've assigned security to. It's great for making routine changes, cleaning up duplicates, or redesign projects. In this example, I am searching my security model called QRoles for all roles I designed with access to the P01012, which is the address book. And last, let's look at Net Effect. You can launch 6 different types of Net Effect inquiries. The application will look at all security records to determine what access a user has to a specific object. You can use Net Effect for applications, reports, forms, UBEs, fields, and data. In this example, I'm looking at a user, A. Clark, and her net access to the P0411 or voucher entry. I want Net Effect to use my live security records to tell me what her net access is. When I click Net Effect, I can see in the lowest level of the security hierarchy, the star public security, my application and action security are all set to deny all. This is also commonly called all doors closed. At the next level of security, the role level security, I can see that A. Clark is assigned to the CSR role and that this role is explicitly granted access to run and action security. If A. Clark is assigned to more than one role, Net Effect looks at the JDE role sequencing to resolve which role has the higher sequence number and displays that access here. At the next level of security, the user level security, I can see that A. Clark has no security entered into the F00950 for her user ID for that object. So the last line shows me her net access. For more information, contact us directly or look us up on the web at www.qsoftware.com.